Hi, my name is Chris Thorson, Director of Product Marketing for Polycom, and today I'd like to share with you some information about the new Polycom SpectraLink 8400 wireless telephone and why it's such a great fit in the healthcare marketplace. Now, when we developed this telephone, there was two main problems that we were trying to solve. The first was to improve patient safety, specifically by reducing the number of preventable medical errors that occur in a hospital. As you may or may not know, preventable medical errors are the number 6 leading cause of death in the United States, accounting for over 98,000 deaths. Secondly, we're also trying to improve the productivity of the staff within the healthcare organization, specifically nurses. If you look at some statistics, you'll see that today there's a 12% nursing shortage, and that nursing shortage is expected to grow to 20% by 2015 and as high as 28% by the year 2020. So clearly, anything that we can do to help make our nurses more productive is really going to help with improving productivity. Now, a couple of key features of the handset that I'd like to highlight. First, it's an in-building voice-over wireless LAN device operating on the 802.11 network. When you look at the handset itself, what's really new and innovative is we've added this integrated barcode reader on the top of the handset. And that barcode is going to allow for accurate data input to the phone and minimizing any of those potential errors. The phone also runs on an open standard SIP stack, the same SIP stack that is shared on our SoundPoint and our VVX product lines. It also includes a nice large display as well as a fully featured web browser which allows access to critical applications in the healthcare market. Let me take you through a couple of those demonstrations about some of these applications. The first one is that scenario where we're trying to get accurate data into the phone. To show this, I'll scroll to our patient ID application. And first I can go ahead and, let's say I was going to administer some medication to the patient. I want to make sure I get the 5 rights. I want to get the right patient. I want to make sure I get the right dose at the right time, get the right medication, and get it to the patient in the right medium. So in order to identify I've got the right patient, I can go to my application, I can scan the badge, and then you can see all my patient information is instantly populated on the handset. I can scroll down and see the patient ID, I can see their doctor, etc. if they've got any allergies. All this information is being pulled directly from the electronic medical record and being presented to the handset. Likewise, if I want to go and then scan the medication and ensure that I'm getting the right medication, that electronic medical record system can verify that I'm giving the right information and the right medication so I don't make any mistakes. Now, some people may ask, well, why wouldn't you just do this with an iPhone? Clearly, they can do some of those type of scanning applications. The difference with our application is this scanner is a high-performance scanner. You'll notice that I can quickly go from one patient to the next patient and back and forth within a matter of moments, as opposed to some of those iPhone applications may take up to 30 seconds to get that type of information. So it's very, very quick and very efficient. Second application I'd like to show you is, let's say that I've just given medication to one of these patients, and now I'm walking throughout the facility and an alert or an alarm comes up at another location that I need to be aware of. Those alerts and alarms can be sent automatically through the patient monitoring equipment, or someone can simply reach over and press one of the buttons. I'll use our VVX to simulate a code blue alert for a cardiac arrest. You can see that information is instantly presented to the handset. You can see the visual indication. This is just an XML script, so it could be any type of picture that you need. I can press OK, and now it's been logged that I've acknowledged that I need to go and respond to that particular code blue alert. Now, let's say I'm on the other side of the hospital and I can't get straight over to that alert. I could also use the XML browser on here to see a video webcam application that's looking down the hallway or looking in that room to see exactly what's going on. So I'm integrating not only my web browser functionality, but I'm integrating some video capabilities into this handset using that web browser. So to summarize, some of the great capabilities about the new SpectraLink 8400 wireless telephone. It's got an integrated barcode scanner, a voice-over wireless LAN device, it's an open SIP platform, color screen, XML, fully featured web browser, and allows a whole host of application integrations. If you'd like to learn more about the 8400 wireless telephone, Visit us at www.polycom.com/wireless. And I hope you have a great day. I hope this has been informative for you. Thanks very much.